Hi guys, so today I have these new items to share with you from LDRS Creative. It's part of their November collection. We have the Love Big Word stamp and then the Big Word Die Love dies. And then I think I'm going to pair it with the Heart Spotlight stencil, so we're going to have some fun with this. So LDRS Creative did send these items free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you were to purchase items through those links. So I think what I'm going to do with these guys is you can stamp this word, and you know it has like cute little like shiny areas, so it looks like it's shiny, and those little white spots or what would show through from the background of whatever paper you're stamping on. Even this has that little cut in it. Really cute. I think today what I'm going to do is do the die cutting, and then maybe we'll use like the U to finish off our sentiment, or however. What I want to do with this one is use the stencil as an actual, like, to make a background. So we have the negative part that's a 3 1/4 by 3 inch heart, which of course you can hold it down and kind of do some inking around it, and it will leave that silhouette kind of shape. But I'm going to use this guy and just stamp it all, not stamp it, ink it all around. So what I'm going to do is cut down some white paper to what I usually like to mat a standard 2-size card with, so I'm just going to cut it down already, but it's whatever you want. Now you can do 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then you have an area in here that you can just line that right up, but I'm going to use this in fun ways, so I'm not going to follow any kind of set measurement on there. I'm just doing 4 1/4, 5 3/8, because that's the sizing I like to mat my cards with. You like 4 by 5 1/4, whatever it is that you like to do, go for that. And I guess I'm going to make this kind of Valentine-y in a way, so I'm just going to grab this guy. And you still want it to look like a heart, so I think I'm going to place it where it still looks pretty hearty, if you will. Let me see here. I want a pink. You know, I love a nice pink. And then, I mean, if you want to layer it with colors, you can definitely start with one color and then blend in some other colors. And I put my paper crooked. It does not matter, because what I'm going to do is just hold this and just take a moment to add in whatever stenciling. Oh, you know, maybe it'd be fun to do different colors, wouldn't it? Yeah, maybe we'll do that. You know, we're going to cover some of this up with our sentiment, which is a really large big word die. So let's do that, and then maybe some purple just for fun. And I'm not even taking a moment to clean this off, because what happens is you can layer them up, and I think it'll look really nice. So I'm going to hold that there. Get some of my purple. And do a little better job of blending. Soft on the other edge. Oh wow. And then maybe another one like in here. And I just made a really quick and easy bold background. And we are done with that. That looks really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me clean up and I'll grab. So we have our beautiful background. I mean, that looks so nice. Can you imagine just popping something on there? I mean, I love the look of it. It looks almost like balloons. Really sweet. So you know, I'll go ahead and stick that down for now. I did wash my hands as I'm washing the stencil, so hopefully my wet hands don't reactivate anything. But we'll pop that on there. Okay, looking real cute. You can always do fun things with these backgrounds too. Like, let's say you took like a black pen and just did like little stitch lines, or like just little squiggly lines, like border ones that look really cute, I think. Okay, so with this guy, actually I already stuck this down, and I think I'm going to stamp on this, but it's pretty flat, so it's not a big deal that I already hadn't stuck that down. I'm going to layer these guys up, and you know, now that I have some colors in the background, I can definitely match those, or just do our own thing. So I'm thinking if I should do pinks and purples to bring that up to the top. We can definitely do that. Okay, so I'm gonna run this through one color and this one through a different color, and I'll be right back. Now if I can use metallic papers, I will. I am all about that life. So there it is. Have that cut out from this one. I mean, that's super pretty. So again, just a little brighter, a little more bold. Probably pop that up on dimensionals just to add some dimension. Let's get this on here. So again, you can definitely stamp this and cut it. It just gives a different look. I think that'd be really lovely. And I'm just making sure I'm kind of splitting the difference of all the different layers, or the edging, should I say. Okay, I'm gonna hold that down for a second. And then I'm just gonna play around with this a little bit to see where I would want to put the like love and then like the U. Do I want it like down the side here or something like that? So simply just opening this up. Just kind of, you know, seeing how I want to do that down here or whatever, wherever. Okay, I think I want something kind of playful. So we have love, and then I have it kind of up in this area. If I stamped U right there, and then like always up here. So I just have to kind of pay attention to what that might look like in there. And I'm gonna set this up on my stamping platform just to get it ready, and then we'll stamp that up. Okay, so let's move these things out of the way. And I'm just using a little tape to hold those down just because we have a very small margin here. And again, we have these in the dies also, photopolymer stamps. Smelling amazing. I don't know if I want the U and the always to be kind of in the same plane. I feel like they should, just to look a little more, not symmetrical, but just like cool, I don't know. So let's see here. Something like that. And that there. Okay. Pick these guys up. Might put one little more piece of tape just to make sure that this stays down. Okay, and I'll use VersaFine, nice sticky ink. And I'm just stamping them in black so it's really bold. Now the only thing with VersaFine is it takes forever to dry, and well, that's what we're at. So I'm just gonna put this on here. You can definitely seal it with some embossing powder, but since I already did stamping and I didn't take the time to use an embossing buddy, I'm not gonna do that because it'll probably stick everywhere. Oh my gosh, lovely. I'm gonna go clean this off, give that some time to dry, and I'll be back. I have that done. Put a little dimensionals on the back of this guy, and I'm just gonna pop it right here. And that is my card. Again, just done so quickly with those huge dies. Takes up a lot of room there. Really, really nice. Actually, I'll give you a measurement on that so you have that info. It's like 4 1/4, just over 4 1/4 inches tall, and about maybe 3 1/4 inches wide down here. Really pretty. Thank you so much, LDRS Care, for sending these items for review. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up, and I'll have the links in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.